Hey everybody, Andrei from CFX Films here, and this is another one of my projects. This is a 3D two-player top-down shooter. Now I never really completed this, but I'm just going to run some gameplay in the background. It's really small, it's just a prototype, but it was just a proof of concept. As you can see, you can walk around. I'm actually playing this with a controller right now, so it's not mouse and keyboard. So I did the basic colliders, and there's that depth. You can see the objects on top overlapping. So you got that little parallax effect. And that's actually what it is. This is actually facing forward, so it's top down, but you're actually moving up and down on the axis, on the y-axis. Yeah, so the player moves through here, and everything is custom coded. Well, I think maybe about 95%. I think I used some copy and pasted code from the Unity documentation, but most of the stuff is just from my head. Yeah, the boss, I was actually pretty happy about that. That was my first attempt at really doing artificial intelligence from scratch. And I think it worked out pretty well. He backs up if you get too close, and he moves towards you if you get too far, and he shoots. You don't have a health bar because I didn't really want to have the player die, but it works, and it's cool. So this is two-player, so I hid the cursor so you can't really see it. Yes, it's a little glitchy. Don't worry about that. It's little. I would fix it, but I don't really have the energy. So whatever, you get the idea. Yeah, so it's actually fully functioning two-player. It's only local, so one's with the mouse and keyboard. The bottom screen, that's what the bottom screen is, and top screen is the controller. This was a first attempt at actually using a 3D space. So the crates are 2D, but the world is split up onto two layers, so you can walk downstairs or drop down the hole, and you can see that the players are now on different depths. Unfortunately, the colliders still interact with each other, so I have to shift that. But this is on Unity's 2D physics plane, so that's why I did that. I might give away this code, I might do something with it, and maybe make it a mobile game, something in the future. This is actually personally my favorite example. I love this top-down setting. A little bit of Legend of Zelda inspiration in there that I really wish I could do. Rooms with the set cameras, but it's pretty fun at this point. You can, I mean, yeah, again, this is with the controllers. Those are actual physical bullets that are firing, so it's really responsive when you're programming physics to react to those. And this is just a little bit walking through the editor of what the spaces look like. This one is pretty straightforward. That's actually a top-down camera. This is the one I was talking about. Again, yeah, see, it's on the side. So the layers there, you can see how everything's moving through each other. That is the most complicated part, is making sure everything appears on the right layer. That took me hours to figure out. And this was no easier of a task. This full level, and also it's kind of cool, the whole level is broken up into rooms, so I can actually copy and paste those rooms, and they're all actual segments. So I could do procedurally generated maps if I wanted to, which makes it really convenient. Yeah, the AI, again, when they follow you, sometimes they go through walls. Haven't really figured that out yet, but again, unless I actually really move forward with this, I don't really have to fix it, but I may fix it in the future. And these little pixel heads made it in Photoshop. Those are my siblings. I'm Andrei, obviously. And that's sort of what my siblings look like. And yeah, it was just kind of fun to make. But hey, I mean, they worked for the pixel game. So thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you like this. I show my games every once in a while. But yeah, comment what you thought, and I will see you guys next time.